Today we are starting from our chapter 1, Law, its nature and classification from legal aptitude. Meaning of law. Law is a system of rules and regulation. According to Roscoe Pound, law is the body of principle recognized or enforced by public and regular tribunal in the administration of justice. मीन्स लॉ एक बॉडी ऑफ प्रिंसिपल है जो रिकॉग्नाइज्ड हुआ है और एनफोर्स हुआ है बाय पब्लिक एंड अ रेगुलर ट्रिब्यूनल इन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ जस्टिस। मीन्स एक रेगुलर ट्रिब्यूनल मीन्स एक न्यायालय है इन द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ जस्टिस। बेसिकली देर आर 3 types of elements in law. First one is command, second is duty, third is sanction. Sanction basically means punishment. Nature of law. It is the concept of order lines and universality and objective. ये एक order line है, universality means universal है, and ये एक उद्देश्य देता है, that is nature of law. ये it also shapes politics and economic and society in different way. So in next part we will going to start from the classification of law, which is very important.